Okay, this is the math practice for economics where you're going to practice figuring out the taxable income for different people. I have done a sample problem for you on Canvas, but people still seem to have questions, so let me go over this. Not going to give you the answers though. Okay, on this first one, if your taxable income is $7,500, how much would you pay in taxes? To find out, you're going to look up here, and 7,500 is between 0 and 8,925. So you pay 10% of the taxable income. That's what you're going to pay in taxes. So you're going to have to take this 7,500 and multiply it by 10%. That will give you the amount that you paid in taxes. Okay? What percent of your taxable income do you pay in taxes? Right there. This one's pretty simple. Okay, 2 and 3 are a little more complicated. All right, the first one, if your taxable income is $124,500, how much would you pay in taxes? Okay, find this on the chart. In this case, it's here between 87,851 and 183,250. Okay, and it tells you that you are going to pay $17,891.25 plus 28% of the excess that is over $87,850. Okay, so you're going to pay that much, and that anything over this amount you have to pay 28% of. So how do you find that out? Well, take 124,500 and you subtract 87,850. Okay, that's going to give you an answer. Then you take that and multiply it by 28%. Okay, whatever that answer is, add it to this, and that's how much you pay in taxes. Okay, now, what percent of your taxable income do you pay in taxes? That formula is on your Canvas page. So go look on the Canvas page and it'll give you the formula. You'll need this, and you're just gonna multiply. It's not a big deal. Okay, number 3, you're gonna do exactly the same way, but with this amount. So make sure you find it up here. 227,000 is right in between here, so you're gonna use those numbers. Figure it out the same way. The last one is fairly similar. On this one, you're going to look at the fact that a sales tax is a regressive tax. Remember, a regressive tax, it's the same for everyone, but it hits the poor more than it does the rich. Okay? We're imagining our state sales tax is 5%. So it says your taxable income is $7,500 and you pay $4,000 in taxable goods this year. In other words, this was your taxable income and you spent this all throughout the year on goods that were taxed. How much would you pay in sales tax? Okay, well, just like on a receipt, take $4,000 and multiply by your sales tax, which is 5%. And that'll tell you how much you paid in taxable goods, or well, the tax on the taxable goods. All right, what percentage of your taxable income would you pay in taxable goods? Use the same formula that you did here and here, but remember, you need to add this to this before you do that math. You have to add the amount you paid in taxable goods and the tax for a total amount. Then you can do your multiplication. Okay? Try to work these out, and after you've worked them out, if you would like me to come check it, then I'll come over and check it. But you now have an example here. I've gone through it on the video, and you have an example on your Canvas. Use those and holler at me after you've finished the sheet before you turn it in.